Welcome again to Dataport Analytics. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw and label a line graph in Stata. How to draw and label a line graph in Stata. And what we do is that we go to Stata interface. So this is the Stata. We have already created the interface. You can see that there is no variable in the variable window. So we import the data and we shall use the example dataset. And we click here to example dataset installed in Stata and we scroll and we will see the SP500 data, this one here. So to be able to see the data before we use it, we click describe and then we can see the description of the data. We have the date, open, prices, high prices, low prices, gross prices, then we have volume and changes. So you can see because this data has date, then we can be able to draw a line graph where date would be the y-axis. So what we do is that we come here and click use, and when you click use, you can see the data has been fed into the Stata interface. So you can see the variable window has been populated with the variable names of the data. So we can see how the data is. So this is the data. So we have the date, open prices, high prices, low prices, gross prices, volume prices, and changes. And therefore we can draw a line graph. So now we have inspected the data. We have seen that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 variables, and the data is from 2nd January 2001 to 31st December 2001. It contains 248 values, 248 values. So to draw a line graph, we come here to graphics, then we go to 2A graph, we click there, and then we click create in this window. And then what we want is that we want a line graph, so we click line, and then here in the y-axis we put open prices, and in the x-axis we put date, and we can click and see what we can put in the line properties. So in the line properties we have the color out there. We can choose the color of the line, we can choose the opacity, we can choose the width, we can choose the pattern, you can choose the connecting method, you can also choose the missing values, then you click accept. In this case we just need the basic line plot, just the basic line plot, and then we can click accept and then click OK, and the line graph is automatically drawn. So you can see on the x-axis we have the years, or the period, the time or the date, and then on the y-axis we have the opening prices. So to be able to edit this graph, what you do is that you right click on it and then you click start graphic editor. So when you start graphic editor and you check on the right here, you see objects, so for instance we want to put the title of the graph. You just click here title, you double click, and then this pop-up window will pop up, and then you can see gross prices of, I can just say prices of SP 500 over time. Then you can say instead of the size could be, you can say medium, and then you can say, you can let it be which color, you can put it red color, and then you can click OK, and then you can see the title has appeared. You can also change the color of the title and make it black. So we come here and change the title of the color and make it black, and then you click OK, and now you can see the title is black. Another thing that you can do in case you want to change the arrangement or the appearance of the date values, so you can just right click there and then the window will pop up. Then you can say label properties. You can just click the label properties, then you can see there is color. You can change the size, you can change the angle. So the angle here you can make it 45 degrees, and then you click OK. And then you can see that the angle of the date has changed. You can see it was horizontal, now it is 45 degrees slanted. You can also change even the arrangement of the y-axis. So you just need to double click on it, and then a window, a grid will open, and then you can change it. Label properties, you can say 45 degrees, and then you click OK. You can see it has also changed to 45 degrees. So we have put the title, we have put this one. You can also change the color of this. You can label it like that. When you click that line, then you can change the pattern. You can change it to be dotted, you can change it to be long dash, you can change it to be short dash, like that. Yeah, so that is how you draw a line graph. And then definitely after doing this is that now you have to save it, and then you can save in your computer, so that now you can be able to download it. After saving, now you can be able to copy and paste it wherever you are doing your research. Thank you.